69th pre-competitive skill test. She depends upon the support of the banks, semicolon, and that support failing, comma, he mostly ceases work, comma, no matter how sincerely he might desire to carry it, full stop. Whether money is plentiful, comma, whether overdrafts are hard or easy to retain, comma, is a matter of supreme importance to the trader, full stop. The stocks he has bought is carried on debit, semicolon, if the banker, comma, the interpreter of the financial state of the country, comma, restricts the credit, then the trader is obliged to unload, full stop. The street lights of the area were switched off when the incident occurred, full stop. These were the things that were parts of life itself, and they were the things in dangers of being lost, comma, lost forever, full stop. New paragraph. Though we are, comma, taking us all round, comma, a very cautious race, there are enough wanting among us those willing to take the chances inseparable from business, full stop, and taking one with another, the risk takers profit because, comma, since more are ready to resolve risk from themselves than are ready to assume, full stop. Not feeling very pleased with himself at the thought that she must have been never weak to fall off for a few hours, comma, and believing that those things have not really happened, comma, I begun to clear up that was left of my meal, full stop. He said all the wars were being fought to improve the profit of arms dealing, and these capitalist economies were running on war business, full stop. New paragraph. Whether we offer our service for the permanent or temporary accommodation of commodities and pairs of boots or pounds of bacon and succulent fruits makes no differences, full stop. It is our supply, comma, and this was a course to pursue if we would be a seller that we have, full stop. And I was never pleased enough by that time to walk and cross the field and to find near the water and same undergrowth high enough to offer me some covers from the full light and heat of the open countryside round about, full stop. When contacted, comma, a police spokesman said the cause of the accident was speeding, full stop. However, comma, the driver is under investigation and has not been produced in court seeking his remand, comma, he added, full stop.